Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect Cash App to Brigit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Brigit does not directly integrate with Cash App, however you can still transfer funds between the two by linking both to the same external bank account. In order to do it, what you need to do is link a common bank account. Connect a checking account that meets Brigit eligibility criteria, example active for at least 60 days, positive balance and recurring deposits. Then in Cash App, add the same bank account as a funding source. Then next is to transfer funds. When you receive a cash advance from Brigit, it will be deposited into the linked bank account. From there, you can transfer the funds to your Cash App balance. Now note that Cash App does not support direct integration with Blade, the service Brigit uses to connect bank accounts. Therefore, linking both apps to the same external bank account is the most effective method. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.